Welcome back to Indices and Logarithms. Last lesson, you wrote numbers in index form. Today, the index form starts working for you with the laws of indices for multiplication and division. Look at this. 5 to the power 4 times 5 to the power 3. Written out in 4, that is 4 5s multiplied by 3 more 5s, 7 5s in a row. It looks like a lot of work. So here is the challenge. Could you write all of that as one single power in 1 second without expanding anything? By the end of this lesson, you will be using two laws that make index questions almost instant. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to first multiply numbers written in index form with the same base by adding the indices. Second, divide numbers in index form with the same base by subtracting the indices. And third, simplify algebraic terms with coefficients, like 6y to the power 5 times 4y squared, where you will see the laws and ordinary multiplication working side by side. Let's discover the first law properly by expanding the powers into repeated multiplication, exactly the way index form was built. Take 2 cubed times 2 squared. Expand each power. 2 cubed is 3 2's, and 2 squared is 2 more 2's. Drop the brackets, it is just 5 2's multiplied together. 5 2's is 2 to the power 5. Look at the indices. 3 plus 2 gives 5. The base stayed as 2, only the indices were added. Check it with real values. 8 times 4 is 32, which is exactly 2 to the power 5. It works for any base. A cubed times a squared, expand it. 3a's times 2a's is 5a's. A to the power 5, and 5 is just 3 plus 2. So here is the multiplication law of indices. When multiplying numbers in index form with the same base, we ADD the indices and maintain the base. A to the m times a to the n equals a to the m plus n. Two things to remember before we practice. The law only works when the bases are the same, and it is the indices we ADD 3 plus 2 never multiply. We will meet both mistakes again later in the lesson. Worked examples multiplying powers. Simplify each of the following, giving your answer in index form. A. Our question from the intro, 5 to the power 4 times 5 to the power 3. Same base, 5, so we simply add the indices, 4 plus 3. 5 to the power 7, 1 second, no expanding needed. That is the power of the law, 7 5's, named instantly. B, 7 squared times 7 to the power 6. The base is 7, in both add the indices, 2 plus 6, 7 to the power 8, done. Notice we never touch the base, 7 stays 7. Now, one with coefficients, the numbers in front of the letters. C, simplify 6y to the power 5 times 4y squared. First, split each term into its pieces 6 times y to the 5 and 4 times y squared. Group the ordinary numbers together and the powers of y together. 6 times 4 is 24 plain multiplication, and y to the 5 times y squared, same base. So add the indices, 5 plus 2. 24y to the power 7. Coefficients multiply normally. Indices of the same base add. Keep those two jobs separate, and questions like this become routine. Now for division. Same plan, expand the powers first, and let the law reveal itself. Take 4 to the power 5, divided by 4 squared. Write the division as a fraction and expand. 5 4's on top, 2 4's at the bottom. Each 4 at the bottom cancels 1 4 on top. 2 4's cancel, leaving 3 4's, 4 cubed. Look at the indices. 5 minus 2 is 3. The base stayed 4. The indices were subtracted. Check it. 4 to the 5 is 1024. Divided by 16 gives 64, which is exactly 4 cubed. And with letters, it is the same story. A to the 5 over a squared cancel 2 a's. 3 a's remain. A cubed, which is a to the 5 minus 2. So here is the division law of indices. When dividing numbers in index form with the same base, we subtract the indices and maintain the base. A to the m divided by a to the n equals a to the m minus n. Multiplication adds. division subtracts. Those are the two laws of this lesson. Worked examples, dividing powers. Simplify each of the following, leaving your answer in index form. A, 8 to the power 6 divided by 8 to the power 4. Same base, 8. So subtract the indices, 6 minus 4. 8 squared. The order matters here. It is always the first index minus the second. B, m to the power 8 divided by m cubed. The base is m in both. Subtract the indices, 8 minus 3. M to the power 5. Let us obey exactly the same law. M to the 5 boxed and done. And 1 with coefficients, just like we did for multiplication. C, simplify 12d to the power 7 divided by 3d squared. Write it as a fraction first. Deal with the pieces separately. 12 over 3 for the coefficients. And for the d's same base, subtract the indices. 7 minus 2. 12 divided by 3 is 4. And d to the 7 minus 2 is d to the 5. 4d to the power 5. Coefficients divide normally. Indices of the same base subtract. 2 separate jobs, 1 clean answer. Before the recap, the 3 mistakes that cost the most marks with the laws of indices. Mistake 1, mixing bases. 2 cubed times 5 to the 4 is not 10 to the 7. The bases 2 and 5 are different, so the multiplication law does not apply at all. Check. 2 cubed is 8. 5 to the 4 is 625. The product is 5,000, nowhere near 10 million, same base only. Mistake 2, multiplying the indices. 3 to the 4 times 3 squared is not 3 to the 8. When powers multiply the indices ADD, 4 plus 2 gives 3 to the 6. Check with values. 81 times 9 is 729 exactly, 3 to the 6. And mistake 3, dividing the indices. 10 to the 8 divided by 10 squared is not 10 to the 4. When powers divide, the indices subtract. 8 minus 2 gives 10 to the 6. One line to remember it all. Same base multiplication adds the indices, division subtracts them. The base itself never changes. Let's close the loop on everything you set out to learn today. When multiplying powers of the same base, add the indices and maintain the base. A to the m times a to the n is a to the m plus n. When dividing powers of the same base, subtract the indices and maintain the base. A to the m divided by a to the n is a to the m minus n. And coefficients are ordinary numbers. Multiply or divide them separately. Then let the law handle the indices. Your practice pause and try all 4. Answers in index form. A, 4 to the 5 times 4 squared. B, 9 to the 8 divided by 9 to the 6. C, t cubed times t to the 6. D, 10h to the 9 divided by 5h to the 4. Answers. A, add the indices 4 to the 7. B, subtract 9 squared. C, t to the 9. D, 10 over 5 is 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. 2h to the power 5. Well done. Those are the laws of indices for multiplication and division. Take the practice quiz below to lock it in fresh numbers every attempt. Next lesson, negative indices and the zero index. See you there.